Gotcha! Hello everybody and welcome back to my front pack. We are back with more Far Cry 3. See, we're halfway through the game. We're gonna kill...
New recruit thinks he's special because Hoyt talked to him. Hoyt talks to a lot of guys, new recruit. He talked to Voss. Now where's Voss, huh?
Well, Voss is dead, but I'm not Voss, am I? I'm the person who killed Voss. You don't know that, do you? Because you're a fool. And I'm wearing a mask, I assume. I would hope I'm wearing a fucking mask. Wait, his gun? Oh, really special. Oh, beautiful. If only I could put a silencer on it. Oh, that's bullshit, you know it, game. I could have cleared that hoe.
Alright, time to unplug Hoyt's phones. Hello, Sam.
In order to halt the communication between the privateers, you must blow the satellite dish. Pass through the bunkers underneath. C4 placed on the struts will be the only way. Then, you need a lift out. The fuel depot can wait. I will come pick you up. And save some C4 for that big metal door blocking the bunker entrance, yeah? Not fair!
Then hoof the fuck out the goddamn way. Okay, good. Because we're gonna be using this so you can zoom in farther. I need to be able to see all these assholes. I don't know if I'll be able to hit that one, motherfucker. That one's gonna be a long stretch. Stretch of booty shit. Unless I get the other sniper, but oh! I hit him. That means I can hit that motherfucker right there. That is what that means now. Let's see if I can hit that son of a bitch. My list. There you go. I'm not out of ammo, you drunken whore. Sacrifices. Sacrifices. Now, give me a goddamn minute, because I don't have all that. You mean motherfucker for that. Wait. I got shit to sell, though. I think that should cover the ammo fee.
Time to unplug Hoyt's phones.
Okay, gotta make sure that's inside.
Hello, Sam.
In order to halt the communication between the privateers, you must blow the satellite dish. Pass through the bunkers underneath. C4 placed on the struts will be the only way. Then, you need a lift out. The fuel depot can wait. I will come pick you up. And save some C4 for that big metal door blocking the bunker entrance, yeah?
This must be a restricted area. I'm not supposed to be here, so I don't think this uniform is gonna help.
set yet? No. Good. No, before anything, I need to take out the goddamn comms, which means I need... Jaguar should take care of them. Would I used my environment to my advantage? Oh, so that is them seeing me. Well, they've got really good vision, don't they?
He's heading for the bunker! Those doors are made of steel. Explosives will do the trick.
There we go, that time we did it. We cleared out the whole fucking base.
Yes!
Sorry, I can't have communication callers. It's not good for business, boys. You know this, right? Right, it's good.
Time to roast a pig!
Get fucked on. So none of them knows I here. Did I just get a fucking double kill?
Time to fry a fish!
I'm very, very happy. Gotcha! Dumbass. Why are there dogs in here? Explain to me right though.
Thing is huge. Better have enough explosives.
Okay, let's do this. Finished.
Fuck off.
You're about to have 0 bars, Hoyt. Sam, that's it. The C4's in place. Where are you?
The cavalry is coming, my friend. Defend those explosives until I get there, and everything will be A-okay.
Come on, go, 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 go. Jesus Christ. Get the fuck out of here. Come on. Here you go, we're outie. I can't be hurt.
Now, I cannot return to the airstrip with you inside.
I can handle it.
At the fuel depot. We're going to have some fun. Here we go. Ice, fly, fly, jump, jump.
Freedom! Speaking of which, I'm taking out this tower.
Jason,
Dennis, I found my brother. He's alive.
what about Hoyt?
I have a plan to kill him. He has my brother. Riley needs my help.
Jason, you are warrior of the Rakyat. Let go of your past. These ties to your family make you weak.
He's my brother.
Remember, we are your family now.
Oh nah, you didn't just do that to me. I'm here, Hoyt.
Tools of the trade?
Party favors. I've been waiting to light this place up, as we Americans say, for a very long time.
Sam, you're American?
Yeah. My father was in the Navy SEALs. I was born when he was stationed in Texas, and then he was relocated back to Deutschland.
Oh, Uncle Sam. I get it.
Yeah. One of the founding fathers, I think.
You might want to look that up.
Forget it. Let's put some candles on this cake.
Cool. Cool.
Drive to the oil reservoirs. I'll cover with the 50 cal.
Jesus Christ. I thought you meant the pistol, not the fucking turret.
Swiftly!
Let's get the fuck out of the way! Oh shit, Sam, no, I'm sorry. Oh, well, I went with you, Sam. Oh, holy shit. Alright, cover me, dickhead. What's up, boys? You'll be alright, Sam. Right. Need to fix my broken fucking arm. Ain't that a fucking bitch? Oh. Let me wrap myself up, Sam. We'll go here before too long. Oh, we have to set dynamite on it. Okay, I see. Oh, we're timed! Shit, Sam, cover me. Shit, Sam, cover me. Shit, Sam, cover me. Who the fuck is calling me?
Finally, after all these years, I get to take them to the cleaners. Go! Take out the second reservoir.
Hey, Sam, do your worst. God fuck damn it! Who the fuck is calling me? I'm gonna fucking castrate whoever's calling me. If shooting and killing, it is very helpful. Cannot see jack diddle fuck. That went well for you, didn't it, buddy? Oh shit! Oh, it's E. Should've got the fuck out of the way, retard!
This is the best day of my life! Get ready for the next bomb! There are too many of these reservoirs!
Sam, you got this. Give me a second, Sam. Sam. We're gonna get out of here, okay? Sam, you could have waited, right? You could have waited to die at least 6 more seconds before fucking tripping me up like that. You know that, right, Sam? Oh, sing song, ding dong. I'm about to get shot in the thumb.
Get ready for the next bomb! There are too many of these reservoirs!
Have it ready, have it ready, have it ready, have it ready. Cause we about to be ready like Super Smash Bros. Freddy. How the fuck you die? Explain, motherfucker! How you die? As soon as I plant the bomb.
This is the best day
Sam,
of my life.
you already have health.
Get ready for the
You
next
are
bomb.
fucking garbage.
There are too many of these reservoirs!
Sam, I want you to give me good coverage. Good firing support. You got me, Lobster? Good. Sam, don't you dare fucking die! Sam, you got at least 6 seconds before I can let you die. Survive a little bit longer. There you go, buddy boy.
Having fun.
This is what hell looks like, motherfucker. Shit. What the fuck? Shut the fuck up. Sam, you die, and I'm gonna fuck your face. I am yours, huh? How'd I... This game loves fucking me in the ass, Just get in the fucking car and go.
Time flies when you're having fun. One more.
Yes, it does. Sam Bam Bam the Retan. Fucking idiot. Come at me, retard. No, won't. Promise me. I promise you, I won't regret any of this.
Holy shit!
Uh-huh. You think I'm playing these fucking games again? With your stupid little privateer ass. Uh-huh. Don't fuck with me.
Fire in the hole!
Yep, I'm already pulling the bullet out of me. Good shit.
Good to go!
Time flies when you're having fun. One more.
The fuck you mean one more? You neglected to tell me this, fuckface.
Man's a machine gun. I am going in.
Well, move, fat ass! Yeah, fat ass, move. Oh, fuck me! My way or the highway? Fuck no, bitch, it's my way. I don't have the fucking time to heal, bruh! Seems right. Wouldn't you guys say?
Man's the machine gun. I am going in.
Well, I still got time to heal.
I'm driving.
What did you just say?
She's going to blow.
We'll fucking move! Nah, you did not just... Jesus Christ!
Kills them all. Nice. Kills them all.
Holy shit!
Victory is ours.
We did it.
America, fuck yeah! Now we put the cherry on top. We'll kill Hoyt at the poker game. Don't leave me hanging. Meet me back at Hoyt's compound.
Black gold, I like that mission. Even though that mission was an exponential pain in my ass.